Today's next topic and next section is section 118. We will do section 118, 119 and 120. Okay. Section 118. Now section 118 deals with what? Minutes. Okay. What is a minute or what is a minute book? Meetings are called for what? Meetings are called for taking decisions, right? So now this decisions needs to be recorded for future reference. মিটিং আমরা কল করি কিছু ডিসিশন নেওয়ার জন্য। এবার এই ডিসিশনগুলো রেকর্ড করে রাখলে কি হবে, আমাদের ফিউচারে কোনো কাজে লাগতে পারে, ফিউচার রেফারেন্সের জন্য রাখতে পারে। এই যে মিটিংসের যে ডিসিশন আর এই যে মিটিংসের যে প্রসিডিংস যা যা হলো মিটিংয়ে, এই ডিটেলস রেকর্ড করা হয় হচ্ছে মিনিট বুকে। হোয়াট? মিনিট বুক। এবার এটা 4 ধরনের মিনিট বুক হয়। ওকে, একটা হয় হচ্ছে জেনারেল মিটিংয়ের মিনিটস, একটা হয় হচ্ছে ক্রেডিটার মিনিটস, মানে ক্রেডিটারদের মিটিং হয় আলাদা করে, যে বলি না ক্লাস মিটিং হতো, তো ক্রেডিটার্সদের হচ্ছে মিটিংয়ের মিনিট হয়। একটা হয় বোর্ড মিটিংয়ের মিনিট, আর একটা হয় হচ্ছে কমিটি মিটিংয়ের মিনিট। এই দুটো মিনিট সেম হয়, এই দুটো মিনিট সেম হয়, তবে 4 টাইপস অফ মিনিটস হয়। একটা জেনারেল মিটিংয়ের মিনিট, একটা ক্রেডিটার মিনিট, একটা বোর্ড মিটিংয়ের মিনিট, একটা কমিটি মিটিংয়ের মিনিটস। সো মিনিটস কি? মিনিটে কি হয়? দ্য ডিসিশন অ্যান্ড প্রসিডিংস অফ দ্য মিটিংস আর রেকর্ডেড ইন এ মিনিট বুক। সো এর প্রসিজিওর কী কী, এদের ডিফারেন্সটা কী, এই জেনারেল মিটিংয়ের মিনিটের ডিফারেন্স কী আর বোর্ড মিটিংয়ের মিনিটের ডিফারেন্স। ফার্স্ট হচ্ছে দুটোরই সিমিলার একটা ব্যাপার আছে, সেটা হচ্ছে মিনিটস শুড বি প্রিপেয়ার্ড within 30 days, within 30 days of the conclusion of the meeting. So minutes should be prepared in 30 days of the conclusion of the meeting. মিটিং শেষ হওয়ার 30 দিনের মধ্যে আমাকে মিনিট তৈরি করে ফেলতে হবে। This is same for both the case, whether it's a minute of general meeting or whether it's a minute of board meeting. Within 30 days of the conclusion of the meeting, we need to prepare what? We need to prepare the minute book. Is it okay? Number two হচ্ছে, now in case of general meeting minutes, it is to be signed by the chairman of such meeting. Okay, কি বললাম? In case of general meeting minutes, the minute is to be signed by the chairman of the meeting. যেই মিটিংয়ের মিনিটটা হচ্ছে, মানে যেই মিটিংয়ের মিনিট, সেই মিনিটটা কে সাইন করবে? সেই মিটিংয়েরই চেয়ারম্যান। ওকে, আর in case of board meetings minute, here also the chairman will only sign of such meeting. But if the chairman is unable to sign, chairman sign করতে পারলো না কোনো কারণে, in case of general meeting minutes, then what? The director who will be authorized by board of directors, board of directors will decide, one director will give the authority to any director who will sign other than the chairman, because the chairman is unable to sign. So if the chairman is not signing the minute because of any inability, in case of general meetings minute, then the minute to be signed by whom? By the board, director who is authorized by the board. But in case of board meeting, if the chairman is unable to sign, then such minute to be signed by the chairman of the next board meeting. So in case of general meetings minute, the signing must be done within 30 days of the conclusion of meeting. But in case of board meeting, since if the chairman is unable, then the next board meetings chairman will sign, so there is no time limit of signing. Yes, there is a time limit for preparation of minute, which is 30 days from the conclusion of the meeting, but here there is no time limit of signing. But there is a time limit of signing in case of general meetings minute. Is it okay? So what are the difference? First, there is no difference. Within 30 days of the conclusion of the meeting, we have to prepare the minute of both general meeting and board meeting. Here who will sign? Chairman. Here also chairman. But if the chairman is unable, in case of general meetings minute, the director who is authorized by the board will sign, and the signing to be done within 30 days of the conclusion of the signing to be done within 30 days of the conclusion of the meeting. Okay, And what is this? In case of committee meeting, in case of board meeting or committee meeting, there is no time limit of signing, because if the chairman is unable of such meeting is unable, then the chairman of the next board meeting will sign. But next board meeting কবে হবে সেটা তো আমি জানি না, তাই জন্য 30 ডেজের এখানে সাইনিং লিমিটটা নেই, বাট প্রিপারেশনের টাইম লিমিটটা সেম। আচ্ছা, এই মিনিটটাকে কোথায় প্রিজার্ভ করে রাখবো? ইন কেস অফ জেনারেল মিটিং, দ্য মিটিং টু বি প্রিজার্ভ ফর লাইফ টাইম কোথায়? কোম্পানির রেজিস্টার্ড অফিসে। আর ইন কেস এখানে, ইন দিস কেস বোর্ড মিটিংয়ের ক্ষেত্রে ইদার অ্যাট কোম্পানিজ রেজিস্টার্ড অফিস or any place decided by board যদি অন্য কোনো জায়গা ডিসাইড করে সেখানে, নয় রেজিস্টার্ড অফিসে রাখো বা এনি প্লেস ডিসাইডেড বাই দ্য বোর্ড। সো হোয়াট আর দ্য ডিফারেন্সেস? First is the minute to be prepared for both general meeting and board meeting within 30 days of the conclusion of the meeting. In case of general meeting, to be signed by the chairman of such meeting. If the chairman is unable, then within 30 days of conclusion of the general meeting by the director who is authorized by the board. In case of board meeting, if the chairman of such meeting is unable to sign, then the chairman of the next board meeting will sign. So there is no time limit for signing. Where to preserve? In the general meetings minute to be preserved at the company's registered office. In case of board meeting, it can be kept at the company's registered office or any other place decided by the board, and to be kept for lifetime. Okay, minute কার কাস্টাডিতে রাখা হবে? In whose custody the minute will be kept? In the custody of a company's secretary. Okay, if there is any contravention regarding all this minutes preparation and anything, then what will be the penalty? 25,000 for the company. For officers in default, it will be 5,000. Okay, but if the minute is tampered means what? If it is altered, if it has been altered, then there will be a penalty of 2 years imprisonment, means jail, plus minimum 25,000 amount, which can extend to 1 lakh. So 25,000 to 1 lakh. So what is the penalty? If the minute has been tampered, if the minutes has been altered, then 2 years of imprisonment along with penalty of 25,000, which may extend up to 1 lakh rupees. Okay, 1 lakh rupees. Fine. Now 3 matters we cannot record in a minute book. What are the 3 matters? Number 1, matters that are irrelevant. Now, matters that are irrelevant, suppose a director is drinking coffee. Now, do you think that the CS will write, yes, this director, Mr. A, was drinking coffee at 3 p.m. Mr. A was drinking black coffee. All these matters, these are relevant matters. Yes, all things were happening in the meeting, but these are not relevant. So matters that are irrelevant, we cannot include in a minute. Number 2, defamatory to any person. If suppose Mr. A is giving some slang to Mr. B, now will the CS record this in the minute? Mr. A Mr. B কে কিছু বললো, গালাগালি দিল, আর CS বসে বসে লিখছে Mr. A told this to Mr. B. No, we cannot record all this. This might happen in a meeting. This might happen because if the decisions vary, this might happen. Very rare, but might happen. But that doesn't mean that we'll record that in the minute. Number 3, matters against company's interest. Matters that are against company's interest. Matters which are not in favor of the company, it's against the interest of the company, we cannot record. So 3 matters that cannot be recorded in the minute are what? Matters that are irrelevant, defamatory to any person, matters that are against company's interest. Is it clear? So this is the details of minutes that you have to remember. Okay, now let's come to section 119. Now section 119 is the inspection of the minute book. Now this minute book that is prepared can be inspected by any member of the company. What? Member of the company. Creditors not allowed. If a director is not a member, then that director is also not allowed. Member means who? The persons who are holding the shares of the company. So any member can inspect the minute book. per day 2 hours time is allowed. Per day at least 2 hours time is allowed. Minimum how many hours can be given? 2 hours at least. Okay, inspection of the minute book. If the member needs the copy of a minute book, means the hard copy, okay, then it has to be provided by the company to such member within 7 days, and the company can charge maximum rupees 10 per page for that minute book. So if a member is wanting a copy of that minute book, hard copy, then the company have to give that hard copy within 7 days, and the company can charge per page maximum rupees 10. It can be less than rupees 10, but it cannot exceed rupees 10 for that minute book. If the members are wanting the soft copy, then also the soft copy will also be provided free of cost. And minute book for soft copy can be provided for how many years? Suppose the member is wanting the minute book of a meeting that took place 4 years back. No, not possible. Only preceding 3 years. The last 3 years, whatever meeting took place, if you are wanting the minute of those meetings, then the company will provide free of cost. Preceding 4 years, preceding 5 years, no, not possible. You are standing in 2021, you can ask for a minute book of a meeting that took place in 2020, or you can ask for a minute book of a meeting that took place in 2019 and last 2018. Last 3 years, preceding 3 years, not more than that. For 2017 you cannot ask, and company will not give also. So preceding 3 years. So for hard copy, maximum rupees 10 per page. For soft copy, no cost, but provided that meeting of only preceding 3 years, you can ask for the minute book. And who will inspect? Any member. Per day, how much time allowed? At least minimum 2 hours. At least 2 hours. Correct? Can creditor inspect the minute book? No. Can a director who is not a member in the company inspect a minute book? No. Okay. And last section is section 120. What is this section 120? We can keep the minute book in electronic form, and that is completely optional. We can keep the minute book in electronic form, that is completely optional. We can keep the minute book in an electronic form, which is completely what? Optional. It's not mandatory. Section 120 states that. So what is section 118, 119, 120 talking about? It's talking about totally about minute. So minute what? When the proceedings of the meeting and the decisions are recorded in a book, that is known as a minute book. There are 4 types of minute book: general meeting minute book, creditors meeting minute book, board meetings minute book, committee meeting minutes. So board and committee are the same, whereas creditor and general meeting are the same. In case of general meeting, what happens? Within 30 days of conclusion for both board and general meeting, 30 days of conclusion of the meeting, minutes to be prepared. In case of general meeting, to be signed by the chairman of such meeting. In case of incapability of that chairman, by a director who is authorized by the board within 30 days of the conclusion of the meeting. In case of board meeting, to be signed by the chairman of such meeting. In case of the inability of such chairman, by the chairman of the next board meeting. So there is no time limit of signing in case of board meetings minute. To be preserved for the lifetime in case of general meeting at the company's register office. In case of board meeting, either at company's register office or any other place decided by board. Okay, what are the penalty? Company 25,000 and officer 5,000. Okay. If minute book is tampered, then 2 years of imprisonment plus penalty 25,000 minimum, maximum 1 lakh. 3 matters not to be mentioned in the minute: matters that are irrelevant, that are defamatory to any person, matters that are against the company's interest. Section 119 deals with what? Inspection of minute book. This book can be inspected by any member of the company. A director who is not a member, not allowed to inspect. A creditor, not allowed. At least 2 hours per day. If the member is wanting a copy, hard copy, then maximum rupees 10 per page will be charged. And within 7 days the company needs to provide the minute book. In case of soft copy, free of cost, but for how many years, last how many years minute book you can ask for? 3 years, preceding 3 years. In 120 it states that the company can maintain its minute book electronically also, but that is completely optional. Is it clear? So this completes my entire section, whatever is there in your syllabus regarding general meeting. On the next class we will start board meeting. ওকে, সো থ্যাংক ইউ ক্লাস।